The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition from Samsung was rumored to launch next month, but then last week, there were talks it might arrive this week. However, that hasn't happened yet. Meanwhile, the phone continues to leak, which has been happening for a while now. A well-known leaker, Evan Blass, shared an official unboxing video of the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition on X. The video shows the simple packaging made from black cardboard. As expected, there's no charger included in the box. The phone will be available in blue, graphite, gray, mint, and yellow. The video also highlights that the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition will have the most powerful camera ever in the Galaxy Fan Edition series, capable of capturing stunning low-light portraits. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 10-megapixel front camera for selfies. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition will be powered by Samsung's Exynos 2400E chipset, which is a slightly slower version of the Exynos 2400. It will have a